what skincare routine do you recommend to your patient? And what for you the benefit of the cosmetic usage before and after an aesthetic act?
Yes, a very good question again. The way I look at how we structure or formulate a plan for healthy skin for my patients, I look at short-term gain as well as long-term gain. I personally feel that we will be doing our patients a disservice if we just focus on short-term gain, which is what a lot of topical skincare products focus on. But we want to look at long-term benefit of using these topical products. So the three most favorite products of mine are the VCIP. So this is one of my favorite products because it is based on very new technology, just came onto the market not very long ago. It contains very high potency, but most importantly, stabilized vitamin C. And as we know, vitamin C is a high potency antioxidant. So Teoxane has managed to develop this particular product that not only does it contain high potency stabilized vitamin C, it also relies on a technology called time release, in the sense that when it's applied onto the surface of the skin, it releases the active compound not all at once. So as time goes by after the application, it gradually releases the active ingredient into the skin. And this is more so for the long-term benefit of our patient, because we know if we have antioxidant in the skin, it helps with anti-aging, it helps with softening or lightening the appearance of pigmentations, and it is a huge collagen booster as well. Then the second product, which is my favorite product personally, which I use on a day-to-day basis, alongside this, is the RHA serum. So as we talked about, RHA stands for resilient hyaluronic acid. It creates this invisible mesh on the surface of the skin. With it being hyaluronic acid, it attracts high amount of hydration from the dermal layer into towards the surface into the epidermal layer, and it keeps it there. So this is a product that I use on a day-to-day basis, and I recommend to all my patients. So with this product, they achieve short-term as well as long-term gain, because in the short term, your skin is better hydrated, the wrinkles look much softer after about 14 days of application, but most importantly, it also helps with increasing the integrity of the skin. And by doing that, you help the intrinsic capability of what skin has been designed for, i.e. to protect you and to keep the hydration within the skin. But all being well, we have good products for short and long-term gain, but we need to know how to protect the skin as well. In the 21st century, we have a very busy lifestyle, and in Europe, we undergo 4 different seasons through the course of the 12 months, and we take holidays, and we expose ourselves to sun and UV damage, as well as environmental damage, such as being in a room with heating on, and that can dehydrate the skin. But one of the most important factors when it comes to protecting your skin for long-term benefit is protecting it against UV damage. So having the best product in the world but not being able to protect the skin will make the repertoire of skincare products incomplete. So my third most favorite product is this. So it's the Advanced Perfecting Shield. The reason why it's different from all the other products on the market is that it's got broad spectrum, high potency sun factor, equivalent to SPF 30. But one of the main advantages of using this, and one of the reasons why my patients love it, it's because not only does it contain resilient hyaluronic acid, so it's highly moisturizing, it's a tinted moisturizer as well. And a lot of my patients use this as a primer before they apply their makeup, or some of them don't even apply their makeup after using this product. And it doesn't give you that stickiness because it's resilient hyaluronic acid. So the stickiness that's usually associated with sun factor, you will not find it in here. And also, historically, sun factor, the higher the factor, the more white it is. When you apply it onto the surface of the skin, it can give you this white appearance and a very caked, unnatural appearance. But this one will not do that because it's been formulated in such a way. It's based on resilient hyaluronic acid and it's got tinted color in it. So my patients love it. I personally use it every time when I'm out and about. And the way I apply, I recommend them use these three products is that this is the base layer. I apply the VCIP serum first. This is very quickly followed by the RHA serum. And then on top of it, we use the Advanced Perfecting Shield. So by doing that, we achieve short-term gain, long-term benefit, and then we protect the skin at the same time.